Best motorcycle Ducati Multistrada. The Ducati Multistrada is a name that resonates with adventure and versatility in the motorcycle world. From conquering mountain passes to navigating city streets, this Italian masterpiece is designed to excel in a multitude of riding environments. The Multistrada's ability to blend sportbike performance with touring comfort and off-road capabilities has made it a standout in the adventure touring category. In this exploration, we'll delve into the history, features, and reasons why the Ducati Multistrada is considered one of the best motorcycles in the world. A brief history. The Ducati Multistrada made its debut in 2003 as Ducati's take on the adventure touring segment. From the beginning, it was apparent that Ducati was not content with just building another adventure bike. They set out to redefine the category, emphasizing sportbike performance without sacrificing long-distance comfort. Over the years, the Multistrada has gone through various iterations and improvements, solidifying its position as a top-tier adventure touring motorcycle. Design and styling. The Multistrada's design philosophy revolves around being multifaceted, and this is evident in its aesthetics. While the bike retains some adventure bike traits like the high front fender and tall seat height, it also features sporty elements such as aggressive bodywork and a distinctive front-end design. This blend of styles creates a motorcycle that's as comfortable on twisty mountain roads as it is on the highway. Engine and performance. One of the standout features of the Multistrada is its engine. The latest iterations are powered by Ducati's Multistrada DVT, Desmodromic variable timing, engines, which are available in various displacements, including 950cc and 1,260cc. These engines are renowned for their potent power delivery and a broad torque curve. Whether you're carving through canyons, cruising on the highway, or venturing off-road, the Multistrada's engine is a masterpiece. Adaptive riding modes. The Multistrada takes the riding experience to the next level with its sophisticated electronics package. One of the key features is its adaptive riding modes. These modes adjust the bike's settings, including power output, traction control, and suspension behavior, to match the rider's chosen environment. Whether you're riding in the city, on the highway, or in the dirt, the Multistrada can adapt to provide the best experience. Advanced suspension. The Multistrada features high-quality suspension components, including fully adjustable forks and a rear monoshock. Some models come with semi-active suspension, which continuously adjusts damping based on riding conditions. This setup ensures that the bike remains stable and controlled, even when tackling rough terrain. Touring comfort. While the Multistrada is known for its performance, it doesn't skimp on touring comfort. It offers a relaxed riding position, spacious seating, and an adjustable windscreen to protect the rider from wind and weather. Long-distance journeys are a breeze on this machine, and the ability to customize the ergonomics ensures that riders of various sizes can find their ideal setup. Off-road capability. Despite its sporty design, the Multistrada is more than capable when the pavement ends. It's not a hardcore off-road machine like some dedicated dirt bikes, but it can handle gravel roads and light off-road trails with ease. It's a versatile choice for adventure riders who appreciate the option to explore less traveled paths. Multistrada Enduro. For riders who want to take their adventures even further off the beaten path, Ducati offers the Multistrada Enduro. This model comes with larger spoked wheels, extended suspension travel, and other off-road enhancements, making it even more adept at conquering challenging terrain. Criticisms. No motorcycle is perfect, and the Multistrada does have its share of criticisms. One common point of contention is its price, as it's one of the more expensive motorcycles in the adventure touring category. Some riders might also find its seat height to be a bit tall, which could pose challenges for shorter riders. Additionally, while it's certainly capable off-road, there are more off-road focused motorcycles available for truly demanding off-pavement adventures. The verdict. The Ducati Multistrada is a motorcycle that caters to the adventurous spirit in all of us. Its performance credentials make it a joy on twisty roads, while its touring comforts make it a fantastic choice for long journeys. Its ability to handle light off-road adventures adds a layer of versatility that's hard to match. Whether you're seeking an adrenaline rush in the mountains, a comfortable cross-country journey, or the thrill of exploring unpaved trails, the Multistrada delivers. The Ducati Multistrada is a true testament to Italian engineering, where form and function coexist beautifully. Its iconic design, powerful engine, and adaptable nature have made it a standout in the adventure touring segment. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an invitation to explore, to embrace the open road, and to experience the world from a different perspective. Ducati's Multistrada has rightfully earned its place among the best motorcycles in the world, offering an all-encompassing riding experience that leaves no road untraveled and no adventure unmet.